We are back with Mynock Wings from the Star Wars universe. I found that it was pretty much frog legs or nothing if I wanted to do something from the Star Wars universe. So we're gonna make some chicken wings because they sound absolutely delicious. Let's get into it. Start with some thawed chicken wings. I already cut mine into the drums and the flats. We're then gonna boil it in some salted water. I like to do this just to make it so it doesn't take so long to cook in the oven or fry. They end up falling off the bone a lot easier, and you don't have to wait so long for it to become more tender. We have chili powder, black pepper, chili flakes, mustard powder, and then salt. Change up any of the ingredients based on your own spice preference, of course. And that's all the spices mixed together. For our sides, we're gonna have some baked beans and some coleslaw. I'm doing a super basic coleslaw. You can do it a little more complicated, or you can make it like an apple coleslaw, a fruit coleslaw, whatever you really prefer. I'm just doing something real basic. Start with just the basic coleslaw mix. Start with about a cup of mayonnaise. Add 1/3 of a cup of vinegar, 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice, teaspoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of pepper. Mix this with your coleslaw base until it has a nice creamy consistency. Put it in the fridge for about 2 hours, and then it can be served nice and cold. You can keep this for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. Heat up your baked beans on the stove, and then remove your chicken from the boiling water. Once they're out and been patted dry with a paper towel, we're gonna dry this down with 2 spoonfuls of flour. Make sure that your pieces are already pretty dry, or it'll make like a really gross sludge beforehand. Separate them into a strainer. And then we're gonna season them with our pre-mixed seasoning from earlier. Make sure they're thoroughly coated with seasoning all over every single piece. They should look a lot like this. These guys are smelling absolutely amazing, and we're about to put them in the fryer and get them nice and crispy. I use just enough oil to cover half of the chicken wing, just so I can flip them periodically through, and we wait until it's about 450, then throw all of the chicken wings in periodically as to not crowd the pot. Let them fry until a nice, crispy, golden brown. We've got our homemade coleslaw and our baked beans on the plate for you. And our chicken wings. Oh my God, you guys, these look fantastic. I think I'm gonna leave the baked beans off. Make it look prettier. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Show you guys how crispy it sounds. Oh my float. I'm pretty proud of myself. These look delicious. A completed plate of Mynock Wings from the Star Wars universe, served with homemade coleslaw and fresh baked beans. I'm so excited to try these. Let's dig in. Now I chose blue cheese as my side, but you can pick ranch, you can pick buffalo sauce, you can pick barbecue. You literally, whatever you want. Look at that. Let's dig in. Mmm. 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 Oh, that is crispy. That is delicious. That is so flavorful. You can make it spicier. You can make it not spicy. This is really, really good. Look at that. Look at that fall off the bone chicken. Or Mynock, if you want to call it that. Leave a like if you enjoyed the food and go ahead and try it yourself. Subscribe for more Star Wars cooking, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!